everyone, Lauren from Wildflowers here. I love this look. It is so much fun. I can't wait to show you how this is done. So of course you're going to begin on a plain black nail. Cure that. Now we want this matte, but we like to protect it first with the Wildflowers top coat gel or the Wildflowers metallic top coat, because that matte loves to pick up pigment and become contaminated. So be sure to put a layer first before you do your matte to keep it clean. Next, grab the Wildflowers lace paste in black. We are going to put a little band in place and then grab the Wildflowers chameleon glitter set, and we're using these little loops that come in this set. We're lacing them on to the lace paste and we're tacking down those sides. So the lace paste just gets kind of set there. The loops get laced on, the sides get tacked down. Now, is this something wearable for 3 weeks? Probably not. You'd have to do a lot more to reinforce it, but is this a cool look for somebody wearing a more temporary set? Absolutely. Look at how amazing this is. I hope that you'll try it. I hope you'll have fun, and I hope that it inspires you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy. You can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we are going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.